YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about how you can introduce yourself in German language. So it's about self-introduction. So now we are going to start. So in this video we are going to see the German version and what it actually means in English. So first is you can introduce saying your name. For example, my name is Govin Verma, which literally means my name is Govin Verma. And then you can say where do you come from. In my case, ich komme aus Indien, means I come from India. Following, ich wohne in Berlin, means where do you live? I live in Berlin. Then you can mention how old are you? Ich bin 29 Jahre alt, which means I am 29 years old. And here you can mention what is your profession. Means in my case is von Beruf bin ich Lebensmitteltechnologe, which in English means I am a food technologist by profession. Ich habe in Deutschland studiert. You can mention where you have studied. I have studied in Germany, and then you can mention where or how long are you working in that place. Ich arbeite seit 2020 in Deutschland. I'm working in Germany since 2020. Meine Muttersprache ist Hindi. My mother language is Hindi. Ich spreche Englisch, Deutsch und ein wenig Spanisch. Means I speak English, German and a little Spanish. My hobby is music. My hobby is music. Ich reise gerne. I like to travel. So this is just a basic summary how you can actually introduce yourself, saying your name, where do you come from, where do you live, and how old are you, what's your profession, what you have studied and where do you have studied. You can add everything. If you want to add more or less, you can just transform it into the way where however you want to introduce yourself, depending on a situation or depending on a person, and depending what you actually want to mention in your introduction. If we summarize this in a complete one paragraph, it will go like this. For example, in my case, we see it. Mein Name ist Govin Verma. Ich komme aus Indien. Ich wohne in Berlin. Ich bin 29 Jahre alt. Von Beruf bin ich Lebensmitteltechnologe. Ich habe in Deutschland studiert. Ich arbeite seit 2020 in Deutschland. Meine Muttersprache ist Hindi. Ich spreche Englisch, Deutsch und ein wenig Spanisch. Mein Hobby ist Musik. Ich reise gerne. For more videos and more facts, please subscribe to this channel.